Hey guys, so I got a great question on how to make stars and maybe like an American flag layout here in Lightburn. And I wanted to show you, this is really quick. I love that somebody asked this because this is such a fun one to show you guys how to do. It uses a couple of different tools and it's a really quick thing to do. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here to our square. We're going to look at this little blue knockout here and we're going to click it and it's going to bring up our stars. Now this started in Lightburn 2.0. If you haven't updated to 2.0, you're going to have to draw your own star, but we can do that with triangles, right? So let's first grab this star and I'm just going to make one little star here. Let's go ahead and zoom in so you can see it. Zoom out just a hair. And the next thing I'm going to do is go over here to my create an array of the selected object. And I want to go ahead in reverse direction. For me, because my origin is here, that's where I will go as far as direction. So I'm going to reverse direction. And let's make 6 on the top row. I think that's right. We're going to do 6 on each row and I'll show you how to delete those after. Give it a little more space between them. I think that looks good. And then we're going to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. I believe on the American flag it is 9 by 6. And then we're going to we're going to shift by half so that we have a row here, and they're all shifted. Once I've done that, I can go down here and hit OK. Now this gives us 54 stars. Obviously, there's only 50 on the US flag. So I'm just going to ungroup these. Grab my select tool, go ahead and ungroup. And then I'm going to remove my extras off the end here. And there we go. We have the flag, the stars that are located on the American flag. Now this looks a little narrow to me, so I might go in and go, okay, let me undo this real quick and adjust my spacing one more time. Let me get this little star here. Again, I'm going to have 6 columns, not 61, 6 columns, 9 rows. And let's air it out just a hair more. I think that looks a little bit better. Then I can go down here and hit OK. I can go to my select tool, right click, ungroup, and take out my extras. And I can always adjust so that it's up here, and then I can draw in my stripes. So hopefully that helps someone today. That was a fun one. Thanks so much.